Alright, so now we're going to continue from the previous video. We're going to take this VHDL file full adder and we're going to write a checkpoint. Previously we wrote a netlist or an EDN file. A checkpoint is better because it contains everything in the project at the moment, meaning constraints, all IP, everything in a very organized zip file, so to speak. So we're going to write a new directory, import DCP. We're going to write the checkpoint.dcp, that stands for design checkpoint. We're going to go into that directory, import DCP. We're going to copy the same wrapper as before because nothing has changed. And then we're going to go back to LabVIEW. We're going to make a brand new VI. We're going to call it import dcp.vi. And we're going to add two files. We're going to set the VHDL one to be the top. We're going to set the simulation behavior to be post-synthesis method. We're going to limit the FPGA family. There are no clock enables or clocks, so we don't have to worry about that for now. We're still going to run check syntax. And let's see if elaborate works. Everything looks to be progressing quite well. Syntax check was successful. So now we hit generate. Again, we create a bunch of controls and indicators, one for each port. And we're going to run it. Same output as before. A fully functioning full adder. Thank you, and I'll see you in part 3.